Hello everyone, just wanted to give an update on the price of gold. So we've had a huge rally over the past few days, so too late unfortunately I think if you're trying to buy gold. I mean, of course you can, but the risk to reward is not too favourable. We've had huge gains after bottoming out at 1270. We are now up above 1340 per ounce, and as you can see just today from the watch list, up around 1.25% simply on the day. So some big moves taking place in the price of gold. If you pull the price chart back here, and this is a daily price chart that we got, I think what's going on here is that we had a big push higher into the end of last year, and then throughout this year, throughout 2019, we've basically been in a consolidation phase. People pointing towards a potential triangle pattern through here. We tried to break lower through 1280. We only got as low as 1270, tested there 3 times, and now we're having the big breakout. So basically a false break of this 1280 level, opening up a big push higher towards these previous highs. The next level, if we do get beyond here, is in fact these previous highs up here. And then this is an area that gold has struggled with for a while, around this 1364-ish kind of area. Now, what we're potentially looking at is reasons to sell gold. Now, this is slightly risky in that the trend does appear to have shifted upwards. So going against the trend, always a slightly risky proposition. But if gold does start to falter in this 1340 to 1350 region, then you're near these previous peaks. And if the price breaks through that previous peak, you know you're wrong. Or at least if it breaks, for my mind, through 1350, then we know we're probably wrong on trying to short gold. But if it managed to hold those areas, then we could be looking at a pretty short, sharp drop, perhaps down to just as low as 1320. And that gives us a fairly favourable potential risk reward scenario if gold is basically still in a consolidation pattern. So one thesis is we've broken out of this triangle and we're pushing out into a bullish uptrend, in which case you don't really want to be selling. Another potential scenario here is that we're just going sideways and we've just pushed up very quickly to the top of the sideways trend, and then we're going to roll over from these previous highs. So either 1346 or 1364, which was this old high up here. Why might that happen? Well, one potential catalyst, if it's going to be this 1340 to 50 region, could be the ECB. If the ECB come out more dovish than expected, then you would expect the euro to drop, and then in which case the dollar would pick up strength, and then that would naturally lead to some weakness in gold, and potentially just a little short-term pullback. And then what we really want to start thinking next, if we are believing this is a bullish breakout in gold, is where does that pullback end, so we can start looking for long trades to resume this uptrend. But firstly, let's see how price reacts in this 1340 to 50 region, but potentially setting up for a little rollover in the price after some big price moves. Let's see.